Good morning, guys. Monday the 2nd of March. It's a grey day. It's a cool day today. And the weather last week was gorgeous. This week it's all changed. Storms forecast as well for later in the week. Rain forecast for tonight. Barely anybody on the beach today. It's cold and it's miserable. They're still doing the lights here along the fronts. Got one of their local characters. Yes, guys, you see all sorts here in Benidorm. He's a happy soul, he's singing away to himself. So he's no harm to anybody, really. And we had one walking down our road yesterday, screaming and shouting on his phone, ripped his shirt off, was having a right old paddy. So what they're doing here is they're changing the lights. I believe we're going to get colour changing lights all the way along the front. It'll look great when it's done, but it is taking its time. What's the weather like where you are today? Can't believe it's March already. It's looking very grey up there. Oh, and very windy today as well. Cool. Did say it's going to be very windy tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning. So, very breezy. So guys, please remember to hit that like button. Share the video out to your friends, let people know about my channel. Try and watch as many videos on the channel as you can, because I am trying to get my watch time hours up so I can get my channel remonetised next week. So I haven't got long to do it. And of course, subscribe to this channel, guys, if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always be notified when I upload more great videos on the channel, guys.